Hello guys, this video is about how to fix the iPhone 4S battery problem. I know lots of people having a problem on their iPhone 4S battery that it gets drained like insanely fast, and it's supposed to like go for like 10 hours of battery life, but most of the time it only goes to like 4 hours. So this video is about how to fix that problem. I found a solution and it was like real simple. Like it was the easiest thing to do, but lots of people didn't even notice about it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix the battery problem in the iPhone 4S. So to guys prove that to you, that this iPhone 4S, I have a Siri right there, and it's off right now because I don't want to use it. So yeah, to show you guys how to fix my the battery life, I have an 85% right there battery, and I've used it for 1 hour and 29 minutes. That's almost 85% of battery. 1 hour every 1 hour every 10% of your battery. So that's good, right? So yeah, and this now is how to fix your battery life. Go to your general, go to your reset button, and then reset all the setting. It will reset everything right there, and then it will like reset your new, like it will, after you reset, it will say your phone is like new again because you set everything. So try that one and it will fix your battery life. I did it already, so I don't have to do it again because it takes me some 10 minutes and I don't want to make a long video about it. So yeah, if you guys try it and it improves the battery life on yours in your iPhone 4S, leave a comment in the bottom, and yeah, that's about it. And if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment, so now we'll answer it right away. So yeah, that's how you fix the iPhone 4S problem. Real easy. Thanks guys.